सो लेस बजट में अगर जिसको भी आइटम चाहिए हो दिस दिवाली फॉर गिफ्टिंग पर्पस और फॉर योर ओन प्योर Cuban chain like this tag, if single piece starts from 50-60,000 only in Diwali. Diwali is the biggest occasion of India and Asia, and in many countries we celebrate it. Very different, very rare, beautiful, lightweight, easy in pocket. You can gift to anyone, you can buy it for yourself. ये बहुत ही प्यारा सेट है and very lightweight, easy to wear, हर outfit ਨਾਲ ਜਾਏਗਾ और किसी भी age group ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ wear करा सकते हो. And I had paired up this ring with this bracelet. This is a very nice bracelet with two blue sapphires. Yes, it is pure blue sapphire. क्योंकि gold already 1,30,000 पहुंच गया. You can see. सत श्री अकाल जी साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Thank you so much. मैं ਉਹ ਸਾਰੇ 1000 ਕਸਟਮਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਟਰਸਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਐਕਸਪੈਕਟੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਪੂਰੇ ਉਤਰ ਸਕਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਤਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So ਐਵੇਂ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ that every time we can satisfy you as much as we can. So happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you. That's Cuban Chief. You are obsessed with the singers. आपने देखा होगा करण औजला साहब ने अभी ये पहनी थी डायमंड चेन. नेक्स्ट सेट में तो हम दिखाना चाहूँगी बिल्कुल लाइट वेट सेट है. सो ओवल शेप डायमंड जो आजकल बहुत पॉपुलर है ओवल शेप डायमंड की जैसी स्ट्रिंग बनाई है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रिंग वेरी लाइट वेट, बहुत लाइट वेट स्ट्रिंग है और वेरी इजी टू वेयर. कोई ज़्यादा हैवी नहीं है, सिर्फ 19 ग्राम ज़्यादा वेट है एंड लाइट वेट है. एंड प्लस विद दैट ऑफ द ईयरिंग्स है कि सो दिस इज़ द फुल सेट इन अ फ्रेम. तो बहुत ही प्यारा सेट है एंड वेरी लाइट वेट, ईजी टू वेयर, हर आउटफिट नाल जाएगा और किसी भी एज ग्रुप में तुसी वेयर करा सकते हो. एनू असी पेयर किया एक बहुत एवरग्रीन ब्रेसलेट नाल बिकॉज सेट ही एवरग्रीन है. सो दिस इज़ द ब्रेसलेट, Cartier nail bracelet, same unlock mechanism like Cartier. See, this is the unlock mechanism. This is the ring which we had paired this up with an emerald cut solitaire. We paired up with this emerald cut solitaire ring. So now come to a very trendy chapter of a jewelry which is very lightweight also. Again I am using this word lightweight because nowadays whatever jewelry we are making in your budget, pocket friendly also. I told you that gold will go to 80,000 90,000 it went. See my last 5 videos, okay? So in each and every video I made from past 6 months or an year you can say, then I told you gold will went to 110, it went. Then I told you that it is going to be 1,30,000 and today the gold rate is, yes, it is 1,30,000 for 24 carat, okay? So according to the prediction we give you is only for to save your hard-earned money. Let's suppose you buy this set with a bracelet with a ring, and I had paired up this ring with this bracelet. This is a very nice bracelet with two blue sapphires. Yes, it is pure blue sapphire, pure Istanbul made, and the lock system also, it is also have a carving, and the carving is of full pure rose gold. It's not a polished one. These two are incomplete without this full necklace. In a frame you can see this is a full frame, okay? So in this frame I have the Van Cleef chain with green malachites and reversible. The thing is it is reversible. See, if you are wearing it and you are going somewhere or doing very casual things, and it will get tilt. So by tilting also it will not get like a very ugly way. It's very very easy and very beautiful also. It is a reversible thing, so reversible also you can wear from any side. The look is not going to be diminished. So this is the full Van Cleef chain. Now comes is I want to show you these 3 pieces. Obviously she wants a very nice solitaire ring. So if already she have this particular diamond ring, this is a very nice ring. You can gift on the anniversary also. You can put on as an engagement ring also. Very nice with the rose cut diamonds. These all are rose cut diamonds. Rose cut diamonds you normally don't see in an engagement ring, but in this ring, yes, we had put the rose cut diamonds also, the solitaire also. If somebody wants a big size, we can put the big size also. Next comes out to be a very royal and very beautiful and a big huge ring. Somebody has a taste of very huge rings, big rings, okay? This is the solitaire ring mount I have. I had stud a 3 carat piece in it, but customer wants a 3 carat to be stud in a simple Tiffany ring. So I had taken out the piece of 3 carat, put it in the Tiffany ring. I'll just show you the Tiffany ring also. This is the Tiffany ring. See, this is the Tiffany mount, one ready mount I have. This is a pure Tiffany mount, okay? So I had just sold this piece day before yesterday to one of a customer, and she had really liked the ring which I had made. The second one I have is this very beautiful ring you can see, very nice. In the prongs also I have diamonds. So this ring has a 3.5 carat diamond. So if you want the band also, the band price is approximately 1,45,000. These all are pointer studded. These are not small diamonds, these are the big diamond studded. Whenever you wear it, so the eyes doesn't go off this ring. So this is an evil eye pendant with that of a long chain. These are all the single pieces. These are the 3-piece emerald. So I had paired up that particular 3.5 carat solitaire with that of this ring. So it really goes well. These are the diamond bangles I had paired up with. Very lightweight bangles, easy to wear. So I think this is the best pair I can show you. And the solitaire is also certified solitaire. And this is the ring I had. This is a solitaire ring I had paired up with a single pointer pieces. This is called a very, a different kind of setting of a solitaire with that of a side diamonds. And I had paired these two things in a pure yellow gold with this very beautiful long chain. This is a big diamond chain. See, this is a long chain with that of this very nice pendant. It's a very famous brand of pendant. So you can gift from USA also. You can just call us, book it, pay it, and we can deliver to any place in India or any place that where you put up. So this is the first stack I'll show you. This is a Bulgari necklace, okay, with that of this evil eye pendant. So this goes really well. These are the two stacks, okay, and I had paired this stack with a very beautiful, nice, soft. It's like a cream only, very soft bracelet. You can wear it like this. It is a reversible bracelet. You can wear the diamond side also. You can wear the gold side also. This is a solitaire ring with it. हाँ जी, मुई चपानी आया जी. Solitaires कौन से देंगे? Many customers are coming from south, from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Karnataka, Thiruvananthapuram side. So we have their taste only. See, this is a piece, F color with F color, SI1 clarity, GIA. Okay, second piece I have. This is also a GIA piece. So this piece is also E color and VS clarity piece. So I have all these pieces for you. This is also a GIA piece. Let me see. It is a pear shape piece, GIA. It is a 71 cent E color VS2 clarity piece. So I have all these pieces for you. You can see this piece also. I have E color piece, 70 cents. Excellent cut, VS1 clarity. So I have all EF and D color piece also I have. So next necklace we have is the stack of a 2 pair chains. So this is a stack. One is a double pendant. The lower one is a double one. This is a double and this one is a single. You can wear it detachable also, like 2 with a 1 set, and a single pendant also you can wear. So we have this stack for you, and ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ pair ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ this Istanbul made bracelets. You can see that the craftsmanship and everything in this bracelet is very unique. You can see itself. I had paired this bracelet and this stack with this solitaire ring. This is the solitaire ring with princess cuts on the side. Princess cut दोनों साइड में लगे हुए हैं, and center is the solitaire that is an IGI certified. कभी भी आपने ये bracelet नहीं देखा होगा. See, this is the bracelet. It's look like a simple, tennis bracelet or something with a full diamond, but actually this is an elastic gold. Elastic gold concept is very different and very unique. Right now it's very popular in Italy also, very popular in Europe also, but we bought it here. So this is not breakable, ये कोई टूटेगा नहीं. And I had paired up this thing with that of this solitaire ring. This is the solitaire ring with which I had paired this. This is the piece and this is the side diamonds. The piece is of 1.5 carat. So DEF colors in Delhi nobody puts in stock. आप किसी के पास भी चले जाओ, आपको DEF के solitaires बहुत कम मिलेंगे. So I have DEF color solitaires with each and every clarity, VS clarity, VVS also. So if anybody wants any size of solitaire, even in GIA is the topmost slab of solitaires, or if you want IGI also we have. So GIA or IGI solitaires are full value for money, and you can have at Luster Gems. So we have full variety of GIA stock plus full variety of all the necklace sets I had shown you. So this video is only for gifting purpose, plus for something to upgrade your jewelry. You always upgrade yourself because you feel really nice when you upgrade yourself in the sense of clothes, in the sense of jewelry or anything. Most welcome to Luster Gems, and you can order online also. You can come and give us a chance to just cater you with the best what we have.